If you are a business owner who owns an LLC and you are trying to keep your personal home address private, you do not want that information shared on the internet, then you may not realize that it might already be public. When you form an LLC, you're required to have three addresses for your business submitted with your LLC paperwork, which will then be on public record. These addresses and the information associated with your business is all searchable at the Secretary of State's website. Information is searchable and can be shared by third-party organizations that want to create business listings, try to get after you to buy their products and services, and a variety of other uses. The information is there for the public to find. As an LLC, you're required to have a primary business address. This is where your business is registered to. You are required to have a business mailing address where your mail is sent to, and you are required to have a registered agent and their address on public record. Your registered agent is the one that is often overlooked. A registered agent is someone who is an actual person who is assigned to your business to be the contact person for all important government documents. In case the government needs to get a hold of your business, a registered agent is required to be listed on public record to be the recipient of all official communications. Now, many people choose themselves or a member of their business to be the registered agent. But this means that the address of that individual and where they can be reached is going to be on public record. In many cases, individuals mark themselves as the registered agent, submitting their home personal address as their address, not knowing that this is going to be on public record. In order to check and see what addresses are listed on public record for your LLC, you are going to go to the Secretary of State's website and use their business lookup tool. Here you can search the name of your business and you can view your public information that is available on file. And here you can see what is listed and on file for your business's primary, mailing, and registered agent address. In order to change that registered agent information from being your own personal information, you will need to hire the services of a professional registered agent. This is relatively inexpensive and easy to set up. There are a lot of choices out there, but I have linked my favorite registered agent service for you in the video description.